Now before we lock up the machine and leave our location, we always want to check that the machine is in full operation before heading out, and this is why. As you can see, my correct change when lit light is on, which means for some reason my machine is not giving out change. So I had to open this machine up and diagnose the problem, and usually this is caused by a coin jam. So the first thing I'm gonna do is close it back up and bang on it a few times and see if I can knock some sense into it. Believe it or not, this actually will work sometime, but in this case it doesn't. So I'm gonna have to open the machine back up and then do some more digging. So what I'm gonna do now is take the money magazine apart. I'm gonna make sure it's not a dollar bill stuck in the chute anywhere, because this problem could be caused by a bill jam or a coin jam. So the first thing I'm gonna check out is the bill jam. Now we had a money magazine clear, so let's give it a try. And the light just came back on, so we gotta dig deeper. So let's get back inside. So we already made sure the money magazine was clear, so next on the list is to check out the coin mechanism. So we're gonna pull the whole coin mechanism off of the machine, and then we're gonna flip it to the bottom to make sure all the pathways are clear for the coins. So we get a better look, let's go and pop off this bottom cap. And there we go, we can see all the pathways. And just as soon as I popped off that bottom lid, I could see the problem. It was a dime clogging up the pathway for the dimes. So I went ahead and removed that, so now the coins are free to flow. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this bottom lid back on, and before I hook this coin mechanism back up to this vending machine, we're gonna test it out. We're gonna hit these buttons just to test out the motors, and let's check everything works. And there it is. It sounds like everything is in motion. So let's go and get this hook back up, and we're gonna give it a try. And finally, we have the correct change when lit light off. So now I'm not missing out on money, just for the simple fact that people can't get change back. So before we turn our back on this location, let's just make sure we're gonna test it out with coins and bills. So we're gonna go and put the bill in there, hit the coin return button, and just make sure those coins are indeed returning. And you see it yourself, we have coins in hand, so this machine is in full operation. I think we're good.